Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Cooking with Today. We have something vibrant and nutritious on the menu: purple carrots. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving into the world of purple carrot recipes that are not only delicious, but also visually stunning. So let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Number 1. Purple carrot salad with honey Dijon dressing. To kick things off, we have a refreshing purple carrot salad with a zesty honey Dijon dressing. These purple carrots bring a pop of color to your plate and are packed with antioxidants. Let's get started. Introduce ingredients: purple carrots, mixed greens, walnuts, red onion. Demonstrate washing, peeling, and slicing purple carrots. Assemble the salad. Combine mixed greens, purple carrot slices, chopped walnuts, and thinly sliced red onion. Showcase the honey Dijon dressing preparation and drizzle it over the salad. Quick tasting and reaction. Highlight the crunchiness of purple carrots and the harmonious flavors of the dressing. Number 2. Creamy purple carrot soup. Now let's move on to a comforting and creamy dish: purple carrot soup. This velvety soup is not only rich in flavor, but also incredibly nutritious. Perfect for those cozy evenings. Present the ingredients: purple carrots, onion, garlic, vegetable broth, coconut milk. Saute onions and garlic, then add purple carrot slices and vegetable broth. Simmer until carrots are tender. Then blend to a smooth consistency. Pour in coconut milk, season, and blend again. Ladle the soup into bowls. Garnish with a swirl of coconut milk and perhaps some fresh herbs. Taste the soup and share your thoughts on the comforting nature of the dish. Number 3. Purple carrot and chickpea stir-fry. Time for a vibrant and protein-packed main course: purple carrot and chickpea stir-fry. This dish is a burst of flavors and textures, and those purple carrots truly steal the show. Introduce ingredients: purple carrots, chickpeas, bell peppers, soy sauce, ginger, garlic. Saute ginger and garlic. Add chickpeas and purple carrot matchsticks. Toss in colorful bell peppers for crunch and flavor. Drizzle soy sauce and stir-fry until everything is coated and tender. Serve over cooked rice or noodles. Discuss how the purple carrots add a unique twist to the traditional stir-fry. Number 4. Purple carrot dessert parfait ****. Wrapping up our purple carrot adventure on a sweet note with a purple carrot dessert parfait. Who knew carrots could star in a dessert? Right? Let's see how it's done. Present ingredients: purple carrots, Greek yogurt, honey, nuts, granola. Show the process of grating purple carrots and mixing them with Greek yogurt. Layer the carrot yogurt mixture with honey, nuts, and granola to create a parfait. Explain the balance of textures and the hint of sweetness from the honey. Take a delectable spoonful and savor the surprising and delightful flavors. And there you have it. Our purple carrot culinary journey comes to an end. From salads to soups, stir-fries to desserts, purple carrots have truly showcased their versatility. So, the next time you're at the market, don't forget to grab some of these vibrant gems and get creative in your kitchen. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more delicious content. And as always, happy cooking!